10 reasons why we block our heart chakra. Reasons why we block our heart chakra. Our energy center for transmutation of negative energy into light, love, joy, kindness, understanding, forgiveness, compassion, empathy. Number 1. Having a heart wall. The heart wall is an energetic wall protecting our ego, stopping us from feeling our deepest wounds, trapped emotions. The heart wall is caused by all the heart chakra trapped emotions. Number 2. Trapped emotions. Abandonment, love unreceived, despair, forlorn, betrayal, lost, effort unreceived, heartache, overjoy, insecurity, vulnerability. Number 3. Resistance. What you resist persists. What you accept transforms. This is the primary obstacle to opening our heart. When the heart is close, our lives are filled with things we know we should do, but we don't. Number 4. Not feeling your emotions. Avoiding feeling those painful negative emotions that are trying to pass through your heart center. Number 5. Trust is the emotional state of 250 neutrality consciousness on the map of consciousness of Dr. Hawkins, the first layer of the heart. When the heart is open, we trust ourselves, others, God, and we follow our heart's intuition. Number 6. Lack of hope. Stuck in patterns, stuck in the ego, in our mind, in our problems. We end up not realizing that we are the hope of this world. Hope is one little human with their heart open because only 8% of the population opened their heart. Number 7. Not seeing or feeling God in everything. Stuck in our own separation, we are not conscious that God is within and in everything, everywhere. Number 8. Not forgiving, not accepting. Stuck in resentment, in bitterness, not able to forgive others quickly, not being able to accept any harsh life situations, not seeing these harsh situations as gifts, miracles of the universe. Number 9. Stuck in ego. Each time we open a heart layer, we remove an ego layer. Therefore, when living below 250 neutrality consciousness with the heart closed, we live entirely in the ego, trying to prove ourselves, prove that we are worthy in the outside world. Number 10. Not sharing heart energy. At 310 willingness consciousness, the second heart layer, we start sharing our heart center energy, holding space, healing or coaching others toward opening their heart. Comment below your questions.